what's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, the Samsung Galaxy S11 line will likely announced in February, but we've already seen tons of leaks and rumors about that particular smartphone. As you know, each year, phones get a little faster, longer lasting and with a luck, more stylish designed. But now, one feature increasingly coming to phones that makes a bigger, more noticeable difference is a higher refresh rates. The standard rate is 60 Hz, which means your phone screen refreshes 60 times a second. But back there in 2017, Razer phone broke all the records and launched a phone with 120 Hz display, which led to a extremely smooth scrolling experience. And recently, phones from Google, OnePlus and Oppo have adopted 90 Hz displays. But now, it seems like Samsung is breaking all the records and about to become the biggest phone brand yet to level up its refresh rates. Yes guys, Ice Universe recently found that the new Android 10 beta for last year's Note 9 includes the option to switch from the standard 60 Hz refresh rate to a higher, smoother 120 Hz. As you know, turning to 120 Hz on the Note 9 makes no difference because the phone's hardware isn't capable of to the switch, but it definitely suggests that the 2020's S11, which will run that same version of Android 10, will have that feature. And I guess now Samsung is planning to introduce every best feature to the S11 series as possible. We already know that the Samsung Galaxy S11 lineup will get 5G capabilities, but now it's confirmed because latest certification from China's 3C agency, which reveals the alleged S11 model number SMG9860 will come with the 5G capabilities and 25-watt fast charger in the box. Well, this 25-watt fast charging will be a setup over the 15-watt charging support on the S10 series, but it's still not on the level of the Note 10 Plus, which goes all the way to 45 watt. In addition though, Samsung is rumored to offer a camera setup of 108 megapixel alongside a 5x zoom periscope unit. Also, the S11's camera app will come with a new feature which includes director view, night hyperlapse and 8K video capture. The display on the regular S11 should come in a 6.7 inches and it is rumored to support even narrower bezel than the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series. Well, after these list of features, I've been thinking that this smartphone will break all the records. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.